Okay, the additional feature that we implemented to this system is the heart rate information data logging. So what happens is that these heart rate signals acquired from patient's heart is stored in the form of electrical voltages. There should be a corresponding electrical voltage as I explained earlier. So this data log file will be created in real time. That means every second it will be creating corresponding electrical voltages. So you can see that actually it is saved in this particular folder. So whenever the system runs, this file will be keep on get updated. So you can basically choose which file we need to save the heart rate data. So in this case I'm saving to this heart rate data. So the feature template is this template. As you can see that I'm using the Gmail SMTP server for the outgoing emails. So LabVIEW will be having this feature to communicate with this SMTP server using a valid email ID and email account. So I have configured my email ID. I have put in my email ID. Of course, need to give the password, and I need to enable the SSL and the port that I'm going to use. I'm using the 587 port 587. So this is just for a demo purpose. I'm giving sender's email as mine, recipient as mine also, and this is just a template message body. We can actually select which document or which data log file need to be sent to the recipient. So I have chosen this heart rate data here. So what happens is that whenever the system is running, the electrical pulses corresponding to the electrical pulses will be saved to this data file, that is heart rate data, and will be sent through email server, and it will be sent to a particular person's email. We can see that this information, I go to another PC and access the email, and you can see that the system has sent a few emails. So we will take the first one and see. There are a few heart rate data information. So when we view that, you can actually see that the first value is basically the time, and the second value is the corresponding amplified voltages. So based on this amplified voltage, we can actually identify how well the patient's heart is, how much is the variability, heart rate is varying how long. These are the basic parameters which can be used to diagnose the healthiness of a heart, doing a heart check, or even for diagnosis of heart diseases like CAD, coronary heart diseases. So this is an enhanced feature to that, so that the data log can be created continuously in real time, and this data can be transmitted to a doctor through email, through SMS, through web server. So these three are the functions of this heart rate control system.